Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. We still have a rather cool westerly airflow covering the country as we start the week, but the areas of low pressure that are close to us are weaker than what we saw over the weekend, so just generally a scattering of showers, one or two of these across northern Scotland, just becoming on the heavier side though through Monday afternoon. For England and Wales, often dry, some good cloud breaks and some sunshine coming through. Western tops in Scotland more often covered in that cloud. The centre of low pressure to the southwest of Ireland will just run towards Wales as we head into Monday night, and that will bring some lowering cloud and some rain and some drizzle here as we go to the start of Tuesday. A fairly weak frontal system will continue to trail its way eastwards across Wales through Tuesday daytime, with some rain, some drizzle and extensive low cloud across the hills here. It may be that things improve a little bit through the afternoon, especially in northern areas with some drier and some brighter conditions trying to come through. For the Peak District, we'll see some of that drizzly rain extending eastwards as well, but for North England, across the Lake District and into central southern Scotland, more often dry through the day with just one or two isolated drizzly showers. Toward the north and northwest of Scotland, the remnants of an old front just producing some steadier drizzly rain at times around northwestern coastal districts. That may just fade out though as we go through the day, but staying rather cloudy and that cloud shrouding the high tops in the northwest much of the daytime. Good cloud breaks though towards central and more eastern parts of the Highlands. High pressure is starting to expand northwards across the country on Wednesday, and many places look to have a dry and fine day. We're just watching what happens to a weak warm front out toward the west. That could well just push a fair amount of low cloud, misty, foggy conditions up the Irish Sea, which could lap on to some of those coastal districts, so that could make things locally rather murky here. It may just extend into the west coast of Scotland through the afternoon too. But away from coastal areas, there should be a fair amount of sunshine, some high cloud around at times though, most places getting away dry, just that chance of some fine drizzle around any mistiness near the west coast. The wind mostly light and starting to feel warmer and more humid, especially in more southern regions. That humid air will extend northwards as we go overnight into Thursday. Those temperatures will feel quite a shock to the system on Thursday daytime. From the word go, it will be warm and humid, and temperatures even in northern Scotland climbing into the mid-20s as we go through the daytime in some of the glens and across North England and Wales, into the mid or even high 20s in some places with that southerly airflow. It could be a rather blustery day though, some gusty conditions around, especially across western coastal mountains. Most places looking dry, again, could just be some patchy low cloud and mistiness around some western coasts through the daytime, otherwise plenty of sunshine around. Just watching later in the day though whether anything starts to destabilise from France or up from the southwest as a cold front approaches. There could be some thundery bursts of rain starting to emerge. That cold front is expected to sweep quite quickly eastwards overnight and into Friday, so again just that risk of some thundery bursts of rain in places for a time here. That warm air is pushed away as we go back to relatively fresher conditions, but not quite as cool as recently, with southwesterly winds prevailing. Looking rather blustery then and more mixed and changeable for the end of the week, and that may well be the story into the weekend too, with low pressure once again nearby, some rain or some showers in the forecast, most frequent in western regions. All your local details for the next 3 days ahead, as always, on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.